In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Premiere Pro sequence to a vertical 9:16 format for Reels and Shorts. If you've edited something in a traditional horizontal layout and now need a vertical version for platforms like TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, this quick process will get you there without starting from scratch. First, make sure the correct sequence is selected. Click once on the sequence you want to convert, either in the timeline or in the project panel. This tells the software exactly which timeline you're about to adjust, which is important if you have multiple sequences in your project. Next, go up to the top menu and choose Sequence, then Sequence Settings. This opens the dialog where your timeline's technical setup lives. If this option looks grayed out, double check that the sequence is actually active in the timeline. You should see its name highlighted and its panel bordered, confirming it's selected. Inside Sequence Settings, find the frame size fields. Change the frame size to 1080 by 1920. That's 1080 pixels wide and 1920 pixels tall, which gives you the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. This is the standard orientation for most mobile-first videos. Be careful not to swap the values. If you enter 1920 by 1080, you'll end up with a horizontal frame again. If you see a pixel aspect ratio option, leave it on square pixels so everything stays undistorted. When you're ready, click OK. If a warning appears letting you know preview files may need to be conformed, that's normal. Go ahead and confirm. Your sequence is now vertical, but your existing clips may not fit the new frame yet. This is where scaling and positioning come in. Select a clip in the timeline, open the Effect Controls panel, and under motion use Scale to zoom in or out, and Position to slide the image left, right, up, or down. The goal is to reframe each shot so the important subject sits comfortably within the tall canvas. For widescreen footage, you'll usually scale up a bit and center on the action. For shots that were already captured vertically, you might just need a small nudge. Work through your timeline clip by clip, checking that faces, titles, and key details aren't cropped off the top or bottom. If you're mixing different sources, take a moment to keep visual consistency in mind. Use similar scale values across shots so the edit feels cohesive. When everything looks good in the program monitor, you're done. You've successfully converted your sequence to 1080 by 1920